These aren't your traditional soft tacos de carne asada, but these crunchy tacos are a family favorite. My mom used to make these crunchy tacos for me growing up, and all you really need is ground meat and whatever toppings you prefer. I'm going to start off by cooking the meat for our tacos. You can use any ground beef you'd like, but I'll be using some ground meat that I grounded myself. It's some grounded chuck roast. And since this is the first time making these tacos since I got this grinder, I'm sure they'll be very tasty. We're seasoning the meat with pepper, salt, cumin, a little chili powder, and a little bit of paprika. Once it's cooked down, we will remove the meat and drain off any of the excess fat from the pan. Now don't ask why I removed all the fat from the pan here, but whatever, it's time to add in a little avocado oil. In the cleared out pan, we'll cook down some chopped onion, some serranos. Once softened, I will reincorporate the meat back into the pan and then drop in our tomatoes. I felt like it was a little bit too much onion here, so I didn't add all of it. I'll give it a quick stir, cover, and let it simmer for a few minutes. Let's get our taco shells ready. At this point, you could use a pre-made taco shells. It'll save you some time, but if you want to make your own, fry up some oil and drop in the tortillas and shape them into shells. Also, try not to crowd the pan too much. Don't leave them in for too long. You'll want to remove and leave them in the cooling rack. Be sure not to let them close in on you. There has to be a little empty area in there for your stuffing. Okay, our meat is cooked down and we're ready to build. Let's stuff our shell with our ground meat, followed by whatever ingredients you might have at hand. I'll be placing in some lettuce, some tomatoes, and some cheese. And of course our salsa. Let's build out a few more. My mom also used to make tostadas along with the crunchy tacos. I really never figured out which ones were my favorite, but if you're interested in learning how to make tostada shells, be sure to check out my next video. I'll show you how to make grilled chicken tostadas as well. See you in the next video.